In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Spotify password if you forgot it. First, open the Spotify app. Head to the settings by tapping the little gear icon in the top corner. Take a quick scroll through the settings so you can see what's there. You'll notice there isn't a place that shows your account password. That's totally normal. Spotify, like most apps, hides passwords in the app for security. So instead of hunting around here, we'll use an alternative that works great if your password was saved to your Google account. Open your Gmail account on your phone or computer. In the top right, tap your profile picture to open your account menu, then choose Manage your Google account. On the Google account page, look for Security and Sign In. This section controls how you access apps and sites. Scroll down until you find Password Manager and tap it. If you're on a desktop browser, you'll find Password Manager in the Security section as well. On mobile, it may appear as its own tile. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account you used when saving passwords on this device, or your Spotify entry might not appear. In Password Manager, you'll see a list of apps and websites where Google has saved your sign-in details. Look for Spotify in that list. When you open it, you'll see your saved username and a password field that's obscured. Tap the little eye icon to unhide the password. For your safety, your device may ask you to verify it's really you using a fingerprint, Face ID, or your device PIN. Complete that quick check and your forgotten Spotify password will be revealed. If you need to copy it, double check you're pasting into the correct field and avoid sharing it in notes or messages. A few quick tips while you're here. If you don't see Spotify listed, it just means the password wasn't saved to your Google account on this device. In that case, you can reset your password directly through Spotify to create a new one. Also, if you usually sign into Spotify with a Google, Apple, or Facebook button instead of typing a password, you might not have a separate Spotify password to view in Password Manager. Going forward, consider saving updated passwords to your Password Manager so they're easy to find the next time you need them. And that's it. Quick, secure, and you're back in. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.